Welcome back, guys. Today I will be reviewing Opt7 Fluxbeam Core LED fog light. Let me point this out. I am not being sponsored by this company. I'm doing it because I really love this product. First, you get this card with support in case you need any help. This is the manual. It has different type of installation depending on your car and showing you the step by steps. This is another car saying they got your back. With this product, you get 2-year warranty. This box here includes the capacitor and the polarity for your installation. This is the mini ballast, and this is the other side. As you can see, the plugs is waterproof, and this is the second one. This is the capacitors. And here comes the beauty, the Fluxbeam Core LED fog light. It comes with the rubber seal. Some manufacturer doesn't bring the rubber seal, but you end up taking your old headlight rubber seal. The design is great, it's beautiful. At the back, it has a mini fan to avoid the unit getting overheated. The plugs are waterproof. And this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. I will be making more videos, reviews, installation. Please subscribe. This is my new channel and I will be putting a lot of effort to this project. Thank you very much and see you for the next time.